Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Microsoft 365 with admin or site owner credentials so you can provision a site quickly. Once signed in, make sure you select or create a SharePoint site, communication, or team, because structure determines permissions and navigation. Create the top-level document library and a couple of folders for core content now. This avoids messy reorganizing later. As you do this, invite one or two site owners so governance begins immediately and you can delegate routine tasks. Next, configure permissions and information architecture so people see the right content. Start by assigning owners, members, and visitors to enforce least privilege access. This prevents accidental deletions. Then add metadata columns and custom views to make documents findable. Once done, enable versioning and co-authoring so multiple users can edit safely. Finally, turn on OneDrive or Sync for heavy collaborators, and apply a basic retention or sharing. Finish by training your team with a hands-on demo that covers upload, check-in, and restore so people adopt correct habits. Make sure to publish a one-page guide with naming rules, key metadata, and how to request access. This reduces support tickets. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Check OneDrive Sync client status, confirm file size and path length limits, and verify permission inheritance. Once resolved, log the fix and update your guide so others don't hit the same issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.